Alright, welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today we are changing the Inspira aka Lancer 08 Rebadged tie rod end and the stabilizer bar link. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, to replace the tie rod, what we will need to do is we need to loosen this nut over here, which is a size 22 mm, and then we need to take out this nut here as well, which is a size 17 mm. After we have removed this and loosened this, what we need to do is we need to use a hammer, knock this out. Then we will need to turn the thing out. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, then when we remove the tie rod, make sure you do not move the loosened nut over here. Alright, that's important for your alignment. But if you're gonna send it for alignment anyway, like me, well, doesn't make a difference. You just need it to be roughly there. Okay, as you can see, this is broken. Okay, to remove the stabilizer bar link, you have only two bolts that you need to remove, two nuts that you need to remove, one here and one in the back here. So yeah, it's a size 14 mm. Okay, as you can see from here, this is quite broken, yeah, and it doesn't really move that well as well. Okay, let's replace it. Okay guys, that's it. That's how we change the tie rod end as well as the stabilizer bar link for the Proton Inspira or Lancer 08 rebatch. Okay, so let's talk about the cost. For the tie rod end is 45 ringgit for one pair, left and right. For the 45 ringgit, that's about $10, 10 US dollars. And then for the stabilizer bar link, that's about 40 ringgit. So that's also about 9 something dollars US for one side. So two sides is about 80, so that's about 20 US dollars. Okay, so the time it takes is actually quite fast. There's only in total six nuts to remove. I would say if you know what you're doing, less than an hour job. So what actually triggered me to actually check on these parts and then replace it is I was having some sound, squeaky sound, but that's from the absorber, and then I was having a knocking sound whenever I go through the bump. Alright, so for the squeaky sound, I've actually sent my absorber for servicing. That's why you see it looks actually quite clean. So when they were servicing the absorber, I had a look underneath and I saw that the rubber seals, or should I say the rubber for these parts are actually broken. And yeah, since it's not that expensive, might as well just replace it myself, right? But servicing the absorber, that one, yeah, I don't know how to do it. So even if I do, I don't have the equipment required, so I subbed that out to somebody else. I wanted to make a video on that, but unfortunately the owner of the shop is not too keen on it, so no videos on the absorber reconditioning. But this is what you get. Alright, so as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, just hit that and leave a comment on how we can improve. And if you think your friends, family, enemies can benefit from this, yeah, hit the share button. Alright, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, cause subscription counts and it doesn't cost you a dime. Alright, till the next time, thank you.